Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the vinyl screen on your glass door. So first thing you need to do, if you have a small panel one like this, is take out your glass that's on top of it. So there's a little track it usually goes in. I'll just show you real quick. Usually it'll slide in between this little track here. So when you take out the glass, right before it meets the track, you're going to bend it slightly out, but make sure not too far, you'll break the glass. And we're just going to lift it out. Then we're going to set it aside. And then on your screen here, now it's all fully exposed. I'm just going to grab on either side and squeeze. We're going to push up. That'll release the screen. So now the screen can come forward. And you'll do the opposite, so you bend on the bottom. And then we pull out, just like that. Screen is out, so we're going to take it down to the basement and we'll show you how to replace the screen within it. We're just going to close up our door now and we'll meet you downstairs. Alright, so to repair and replace this screen, we're going to be using the screen repair kit. I'll put a link in the description below for it. Make sure you get the whole kit because it comes with all the tools that you need. So we're going to go ahead. First thing you want to do is you want to take out the spline, which is this rubber bead that runs all along the frame. So we're just going to use a flat edge screwdriver. You can use needle nose pliers, that kind of thing. Grab an edge. We're just going to pull up on it all the way around. Alright, so now, next you're going to remove the old screen. Now when you open up your box here, you're going to have a new spline. This is a tool to push the new spline in, and it comes with a little razor. And obviously your new screen. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up the new screen piece here. Then you're going to grab your new spline. And we're going to start putting it around. So you start in one corner, then you use your tool here that they provide, and we're just going to push it in. And we're going to run all the way along, pushing it in as we go. So when you come to a corner, you can just bend it. So make sure you're kind of pulling a little bit snug. Alright, so now that you have the spline all the way through, you'll notice, just remember, I pulled a little bit, and then when you push it in, it'll actually tighten it, which is good. So we like how that feels. So I'm just going to use a pair of wire cutters. You can use the knife that the kit comes with if you want, and just cut that spline, and then just tuck your end in with the tool. So it comes with a knife. Now all you have to do is just cut along the edge right here. So your outside edge, All right, folks. So that's all there is to that. Now you have a nice fresh screen in there. No holes in it. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna install it into our door. All right, folks, so we're back here at our door. We're just gonna put the screen back in. So you just gotta slide it back into your top groove there. Once it's up, push it back down like that, and you're good to go. Nice and secure. So we put our glass back in. So it's gonna go bottom end first. All right, and that's all there is to it, folks. Nice new screen. No bugs coming in. Looks great compared to the old one. The old one was so old, actually it was made of wire instead of vinyl. So this is nice and fresh looking for your front of your house. As always, hopefully you found this helpful. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.